Hello, my dear students, and welcome to Science class. In today's episode, we will learn about human skeleton. My dear students, have you ever heard of the bones inside your body that help you move and stand up straight? They are called the skeleton. Do you know anything about it? Well, the framework of bones present in our body is known as skeleton. Skeleton gives shape to the body. It also allows movement of our body. My dear students, how many bones you think our skeleton is made of? The skeleton of an adult human being is made up of 206 bones with different shapes and size. Every child is born with more than 300 bones, and as they grow older, some of them get fused together to make up a total of 206 bones. Let's talk about skeletal system. The skeletal system is a system which supports the framework of bones in our body. There are some important functions of skeletal system. These functions include support, protection, and movement. The skeletal system helps in movement of different parts of body. It provides structural support to the entire body. The skeletal system also protects the delicate internal organs like heart and brain. Students, let's learn about bones. Bones are hard, white, and made up of cells and minerals like calcium and phosphorus. Bones help us move, protect our organs, and give our body structure. Long bones contain a soft substance called the bone marrow. Bone marrow produces red blood cells in our body. Dear students, can you tell me where the smallest bone in our body is located? Well, the smallest bone present in our body is stirrup. It is present in our ear. The main bones that comprise the skeletal system are skull, rib cage, and backbone. Let's discuss them one by one. The first one is skull. The skull is the bony structure that forms the head and protects the brain. The skull is made up of total 22 bones. Out of these, 8 bones cover and protect the brain, while the remaining 14 bones make up the face. The skull has a few important functions that are really important for our body. The skull provides a hard, bony barrier that helps to protect our brain from injury. The skull gives shape to our head and face, which helps to make us look unique. Many muscles and other tissues in our head and neck attach to the skull, which allows us to move our head and face in different ways. Now let's discuss about the rib cage. The rib cage is a part of your body that protects your chest and keeps your lungs and heart safe. The rib cage is made up of 12 pair of bones called ribs. These bones are long, curved, and they wrap around your chest like a cage. The rib cage is very important because it protects your organs and helps you breathe. When you breathe in, your rib cage expands, allowing your lungs to fill with air. And when you breathe out, your rib cage gets smaller, helping to push the air out of your lungs. Next is backbone. The backbone, also called the spine or spinal column, is a long chain of small bones called vertebrae. These bones run from the base of our skull all the way down to our hips. Now let's see the functions of backbone. The backbone helps to hold up our body and keep us upright. The backbone is made up of many small joints that allow us to move our body in different ways, such as bending, twisting, and turning. The backbone is also flexible, which means it can bend and move without breaking. This allows us to do things like reach for objects and do sports and other physical activities. It's important to take care of our backbone by practicing good posture, doing exercises that strengthen our back muscles, and avoiding activities that could cause injury to our spine. Thank you, my dear students. I hope you enjoy the lecture. Subscribe the channel for more learning videos.